Okay, this video is all about transferring items, be it gradebook, be it materials, be it assignments, from one of your courses in Schoology to another. The nice thing about this is that you can create things one time, and let's say you teach 5 of the same course, you don't have to keep recreating it. You can just copy it from one course to another. So I created another course, and we're going to assume that both of these courses teach the exact same materials. So the first thing that I'm going to do is, remember in our last video we already set up our gradebook, and as we know we can't do anything with assignments until our categories for our gradebook are set. So I've got this class all set. All I'm going to do is go over here to copy settings. I'm going to copy all of these items from my 4th course to my 3rd. So that way you get one course set and then you go ahead and you just copy it to the next. So that means that that other class should be all set. The next thing I'm going to do is I am going to create a folder and copy it to another course. So I'll show you how to create a folder. It's very simple. You would just add folder. We're going to call this one Reading Responses. I'm going to make it purple because I like purple. And again, you can choose to add a date, make it visible, invisible. I'm just going to keep it simple and just make this one visible. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on this little gear right here, and I'm going to copy this to my other course. So again, I created the folder, click on the little gear, copy to course, and I'm going to click. I only have one other course. Some of you might have several, so you would just click which course you want to transfer it to, and then click copy folder. Okay, so let's just peek. I'm going to go to my other course, and there it is right there. Now notice I did not copy that other folder over, so that's why it's not here, just the one that I copied. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and I'm going to add an assignment. So I'm going to click on Add Assignment, and as soon as it loads, we're going to call this one Reading Response number 1. And of course, you would put your description in here. I'm going to make this one due on Friday. It's only worth 5 points. And it is, we're going to call this one classwork. When you're creating an assignment, you can copy the assignment right from within. You're going to click on, it's all the way over here, it's called Copy to Courses. I'm going to click my other training course, and actually I want to put this one in the folder. So I'm going to put this in my Reading Response folder. Same due date. I also want that one to be graded as, what do we call this, classwork. Click Create, and there you go. There's your assignment. Let's click over to Updates, and it should be in a few places. First of all, it's going to be over here on my calendar. I don't have members in this course, but notice here it is right here in my gradebook, Reading Response 5 points. And then if I click on Materials and I click inside my folder, there it is. Now, let's say that you're in kind of a hurry and you need to create a quick assignment and you forget to share it with courses right away. That's okay. Reading Response number 2. So I created this one quickly. Oh my gosh, it's due on Monday. 5 points. It's classwork. I click Create and I forgot to share it with my other classes. Totally fine. You can still copy to course this way and click the course that you want to put it in. I'm going to put it in my Reading Response folder and click Copy. You can also, I'm going to move this in my Reading Response folder, and now it's in there. So you can do things right in the beginning, or if you forget, you can do that after the fact. The other thing you can do to copy from course to course, and I believe I showed this in my last video, but I'll show it again, is you can create or you can copy updates. So copy, I'm going to copy it, and that same update is going to go to my other course. The only thing that you can't do is once you create an update, you cannot go back and send it to your other courses. You can do that with materials and assignments. You can't do it with posts. The only thing you can do is edit it, and if you notice, the ability to send it to another course is gone. So do make sure that you do that beforehand. Oops. Let's go back to my course. So notice here it is in one course, and if I go to my update wall, here it is on the other course. So that is how you exchange material from one course to another.